At the drill press, dust collection is pretty much non-existent. That is unless you have an aftermarket fence or table, and I found even then, if it does have dust collection built in, it doesn't do a very good job. Our table here is a prime example of that. So if you're looking for dust collection at the drill press, I want to introduce you to an option from Nelson Shop Solutions. That's the Extractor. So this is basically a dust boot that mounts to the column on your drill press, and you can mount it on either side and kind of position it however you want. And the idea here is that another pipe clamp holds your dust collection hose right at the bit. Okay, so once this is mounted to the drill press, you can see we have a couple of knobs that allow us to really position stuff where it's needed. So we're working on a thicker workpiece. We can raise the extractor up a bit to allow space underneath while still keeping those bristles engaged. And we can rotate this kind of out of the way if we are doing something that we don't really need this for. So I'll go ahead and get this positioned, and we'll get our hose clamp installed for our dust collection hose. Okay, there we go. We have our dust collection hose in place. It's positioned right by the bit. So now I can go ahead and install my bit, turn the dust collection on, and get to boring holes. And I like this because this area in here kind of becomes a little vortex of suction, and it helps collect all the chips. So there you go. Here I'm just mowing a bunch of holes into some cherry with a big 1¼ Forstner bit because I know it's going to make a lot of chips and shavings and dust, and I want to see how well this works. And it works pretty freaking well. I will say I was a little concerned when I first saw this dust shroud that goes around the bit. I was a little concerned that I wouldn't have any visibility, but there's this nifty little light in here that you can flip on and off, and because I'm over top the shroud, I can see what's going on, so it was really concerned not at all. And because the dust collection is located right at the point where the bit is making chips, shavings, and dust, it grabbed everything. So if you're looking for a good dust collection solution at your drill press, check out the Extractor from Nelson's Shop Solutions, and I think you'll be pretty happy with it.